The Siamese fighting fish. The born warrior delicately blows bubbles covered with mucus, placing them against leaves at the surface, forming a bubble nest. She's much plainer than him. He pursues the female until she accepts his advances. He siphons up the fertilized eggs and places them into his bubble nest. The fry hatch within 48 hours and begin to feed on their egg sacs. He's a vigilant father. Young that stray are returned to the safety of the bubbles. It might seem like mollycoddling, but the bubbles are an ingenious way to provide oxygen in the muddy, stagnant waters of the Mekong Basin.